Oi, don't let me out. Don't get me my car. I've got to wear this.
No, but that's fast, that.
Yeah, but if I've got to wear this.
I know, but I remember hitting on the last time and it fucking hurt. Oh my god, that's fucking... Oh my god, no. No way I'm going in there. I can't go in there.
Roll up to the washing machine, man. Welcome to the washing machine, man. This is a stage of a staring young chaps from where you from? Washing machine country. Tell everybody.
Southport.
Tell who are you doing this for?
Free.
No, come on. Come on, you Mr. Washing Machine Man, now tell the world. Before your dear faithful friend, where do you get these people from?
It's eating people, I can hear it chilling them. Aye.
This is for Basil, remember? Oh. Basil!
I'm so mad, and I miss you.
It was £50 a ticket now, the gates are closed, and now the washing machine man is going to attempt this ultimate amazing second attempt. Look, he's come out with these guys last time, but will he come out alive this time? Let's see. How do you feel there, Mr. Washing Machine Man?
I sponsor Pampers, and I need my nappy changes.
It's sponsored by Hot Point.
And Pampers.
Now, come on, the washing machine man is going for it. He's going.
Is that really? That's not spinning really. Can you have a look? Is that spinning really? That's not moving.
Oh, you can look round the microphone. That's it again. What else do you feel now, washing machine man?
I love the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles because I've got a mutant Ninja Turtle making its way out of my attic.
Oh, he's such a brave man. It's the washing machine man. Come on now. We have our faith in you. The sponsors are out there. This is for the Bazo charity.
Okay.
Go on, lad.
As a famous man once said.
Give him some space. 1, 2. What's up with you now? Catch it all. He's having second thoughts. He's worried. Tell me why you're worried, bud.
Stop.
We're going to have to start it again. The washing machine man, though, he never used to be like this until he got his scars. That was his last injury by the washing machine. Look at what happened to the last person.
Oh my god. Last time it took the cheek off.
Come on, do it for your dear brother, like, have you still got this?
Okay, we're going. We're going.
The washing machine. Come on, think about your brother. Look, he's doing it for you.
I'll do it for you, my darling. I love you so much. I'm going in. Me and you to the end.
1, 2, 3. He's going. And he's gone. Go on, washing machine man. Oh, spin it. Go on. I know what you machine man is now doing it. Oh, he's going, man. If I just get his rubber off him. No, he's gone.
Oh, I've still got one eye. I like it in there too much.